What's up, everyone? Edwin Anthony here, back at it again with another Shopify video. And today what we're going to go over are the top 5 Shopify free themes that I strongly recommend out there for you guys. So again, if you like this type of content, as I say before, just please press that subscribe, demolish the like button, make sure that you smash it, demolish it, all that type of stuff. And let me know in the comments as to what you think about this video, okay? Because I really read all of the comments and I respond to each and every one of you guys for any tips or advices that you guys need from me. Okay, so let's get to it. What is this for? These are for people who just don't want to purchase a theme. They just want to start off with, hey, I'm starting off a business. I just want a free theme and I want to know which are the best themes. And first on our list, let's start off with Dawn. And so for those who are familiar with the Shopify world, if you guys remember back in the days, it was Debut. Debut was the default theme from Shopify. And instead, Shopify now with the Store 2.0 and all that good stuff, they upgraded to this one that's called Dawn, which is very robust and pretty much new. So a lot of developers in the Shopify community, they love to use Dawn as a starting point, and then they try to customize your website from there. So this is something that is not just a biggest choice for people who are selling products, but also for developers. They use this as a framework, and then they start building from within. So let's check out Dawn. Let's see, why is it that people just love this? So it comes with a pop-up, as you can see right here. And very, very minimalistic in the sense of the header, as you can see right here. They have a minimalistic logo, so make sure that if you're going to put a logo, it's very nice and clean, minimalistic right here. You could see that it doesn't have a mega menu, but it's very simple. So for those who are starting off, I think that this works out very well, even though it's a vertical menu. It's just something to start off with, right? And we have a nice banner here with a call to action, very clear. I would say that if you're going to use something like this, and also make it look like this, make sure that your images are not only very high resolution, but also make sure that you add some type of an opacity film over it so that it kind of tints like how you see it here. And that way the words really pop out, right? The call to actions need to pop out. And look at this. So it has like a little focus hover over as well as zoom in. So it kind of has like that zoom in effect you see while it switches. We have a nice little badge here, very nice, very clean, okay? And we have some nice also lifestyle images. And pay attention here, we have a sticky bar. So this is a sticky menu. If you guys ever want that, this comes with it. Sticky menu means that the menu up here, it scrolls down as you scroll down. So as you're scrolling down, and you'll see that that pops up right there. So we have some categories here. We have an area for that you could use, you could put a video, right? Let's see how this looks. Oh, not bad. I'm not going to play it, but you guys could test it out. Anyways, and very clean. Again, you know, as a start off point, I think this is actually pretty good. Let's take a look at the collections page. All right, very nice. So they have the menu systems horizontally. So if you guys want to filter this right here, yeah, it comes with it. Not bad. Okay, and it has other features here. That's standard. Very nice. So instead of using like the old drop down, they kind of have like these pills here. You could scroll down and then you could see how the product continues to navigate with the pictures, allowing you to kind of like stay on this focal point right here. And then further, you could go ahead and start adding some more stuff here. Very complete, guys. This is not bad. Very, very beautiful. So Dawn makes it into the list as one of the very high popular themes that are free out in Shopify. You could go ahead and set that up and definitely try to work with it. All right, let's go to the next one on our list. The next one is called Refresh. Very interesting store. Clean and modern design, emphasis on product detail, and advanced customization options. Very, very interesting. Also, a Store 2.0 feature, right? So it's up to date. This free theme has the Store 2.0. Let's go see what's inside. All right, so interesting technique that they have going on with this. So we have an announcement bar on the top, which is good. Announcement bar should follow you, showing you the offers throughout the store, no matter what page you're in. And then we have a fully colored navigation menu with also a minimalistic logo, but it's inversed. In other words, that it's a white logo. And then they just made sure that they set up this as part of their branding colors. Because as you can see right here with this business, Huron, their main color is blue, and I'm sure that they, that this is their branding color, as what you could see right here, right? And very interesting. Let's see in this menu, they have another vertical, and notice how the vertical was so clean when I clicked on that, and the edges are not like square; they're actually rounded edges. So that's actually pretty nice to see. And then we have these other types of menus. Call to action, we have a nice banner that the focal point is on this side, leaving this side, allowing you to go ahead and contrast this out. Very clean. I really like how this sticks out, and how this call to action also pops out, and it stays branded in this whole thing. So this is actually pretty nice. Going down the list here, oh, very nice here. So what's required to get your store to look like this is that although this is free, you have to really invest in your product images. Like, you can't go in here with like, whack product images that doesn't make any sense. You got to make sure that your product images look really nice and also stay branded. So notice how they did here. They have their product images kind of like all lined in place. If they differentiate in color of the background, notice that they don't stray too much away. They want to make sure that the product really pops out. So if you're going to use this theme, make sure that your products are popping out and they're all aligned perfectly and they're all the same size. And as an alternative image, or image number 2, they do the same thing. It's a little bit of a lifestyle image, but they have the blue in the background. And notice how it kind of has like a little zoom going on. There's kind of like a zoom effect. Okay. So that's pretty nice. And then we have, the hover over on the add to carts. Very nice. So we have nice logos here to call out as far as why. And then we have, look at all these points right here. So you know what? This is actually pretty good also for small catalogs, or if you have a single product. Like, let's pretend that you're only selling this one shampoo and that's the only thing that you're selling. This theme allows you to go ahead and make the homepage look fantastic. Regarding the focal points towards why that one singular product, what are the benefits. And you can see also right here we have a sticky menu. That's also good here on the homepage. Beautiful, look at that. So very branded. It allows you to stay branded with simple colors. It's just the blue and the white, or this kind of like off gray, and then maybe this blue. And then we have this right here. This is very nice. For it to be a free theme, I think this is fantastic. Again, I repeat, the only thing I would emphasize you guys to do is make sure that you have good images, because you can have a nice free theme. If your images are not on point, your store looks horrible. So we have some text on the banner. This is actually good for SEO. I like this a lot. And then we have the collections page. And then we have more information. This is also good practice for SEO. So I would say that this is one of those free themes that's fantastic for SEO. I really like this a lot. Let's go into the products page to see how this looks like. Okay, so we have our products here. It's not a huge picture. It has rounded edges because they're trying to keep that circular. Very nice, smooth. I really like it a lot. This is perhaps one of my favorite themes that's free. So if you guys are interested in any of these themes that I'm talking about, if you want me to teach you a tutorial on how to get all this stuff together, please let me know down in the comments so that I could create a tutorial for you guys and help you get this set up. Okay, very, very nice. I like this. Oh, you might need some icons for this. So in order to replicate this experience, just be advised that you might need a graphic designer, or you should purchase an icon pack so that you could fill this out here. And I believe that this is more for, oh, we're still in the collections page, right? Or we're in the products page? Yeah, we're in the products page. So we're showing the details of the products. We're showing, they have shelves, right? Shelves with icons. Look at that. So you might need to invest on icons, or the theme itself might have a library already integrated with these icons. But again, if you're interested, just let me know down in the comments and I'll show you guys how to put this together. This is very beautiful. Look at this picture. Wow, this is product photography. It's not just about grabbing a camera and just kind of like taking a picture. There's a science behind this in order to make a product really look good. And I love what they've done here. Very, very nice, guys. All right, so that's number 2. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, we have Sense. Sense, interesting, also by Shopify. Check this out. It fresh, bright design, enhanced for product understanding, and also advanced customization options. Very, very nice. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, okay. So for like skincare or beauty boutique, right? This is really nice. I can't see the drop down. I do see an announcement bar. Very similar cart icon as before. Glowing, okay, nice picture, right? And then look at this. We got a GIF going on. So an alternative image that's a GIF. Pretty nice, not bad. Then we have a nice little touch there. And oh, look at that. So you see this? It kind of has like this burning situation going inside. Look at that, how that moves. That's actually pretty nice. So for beauty lines and women who sell clothing, or if you're in the makeup industry, this is actually pretty good for you. Not bad at all. Got some icons here. You might need to invest on that. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at that experience. For it to be a free theme, not bad. It's just that, again, I emphasize your images have to be super on point. If your images are not on point, if you don't have those images, this doesn't mean anything. So definitely a beautiful presentation here. Let's go to the collections page. Nice. So we have like this off bone white or grayish, greenish. And then right here we have the super white on the background. And then we have alternative images going on here with rounded edges. Very nice. As well as the GIF. Look how the GIF, they put it out of nowhere, right? I love it. This is beautiful. Discover more from our favorites. Look at that. Pretty nice. And of course with the offer. Let's see finally what's that product page look like. Oh, look at that drop shadow. Drop shadow looks really nice here. They have curves right here. Okay, this looks good. We have alternate image, kind of like before. It kind of like does that thing where it scrolls down. We have a nice little shelf with some icons. Very beautiful. We have a statement or a branding statement, or maybe even a testimonial, and even more stuff to talk about, including in a video. Not bad. This is where a video should live, not in the homepage. This is fantastic. I love it a lot. Sense. Wow. That's a very good impression. I love this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. We got a few more to go. We have Ride. Ride looking very sporty. So sleek, sports-centric design, right? Look at that. Very interesting. Let's check it out. So right here, we could see we have very neon colors, very sportish, masculine-ish. If you're selling cologne, watches, anything sporty, cell phone cases, whatnots, this is actually pretty good. Lifestyle images. And look at that. This is a good niche, by the way. If you guys ever start selling, this is a very interesting niche, the surfboards. Got to be very into that. But I love this. This actually looks very, very, very nice. We have some images here, right? So the product photography and lifestyle photography, mandatory. Look at that, how that pops out. Very sporty, pops to your face, clean, nice little shelves here. Beautiful. I could see people selling, sports socks, sneakers. Like, this is actually very good for that type of stuff. Find your board. Let's see. Let's go in. We are in the collections page. Not bad. And products page. We have different sizes of the surfboards that we could buy. Okay. Very simple. Got dimensions, tips from the pros, shipping. And then check these out. Not bad. I like the previous one, much better. But this is simple, and it doesn't require too much. But the photography is definitely a must. So definitely, guys, if you're into that type of stuff, the Ride theme looks beautiful. If you have sports products. Last but not least, we have Taste. So Taste, very interesting. We got a spacious design, showcase product quality, and adjust layout styling. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, this looks very, very nice. Like, these themes are getting very close to something super custom, but it kind of like shows you exactly what we're up against. Nice minimalistic logo here, very thin. We have an announcement bar at the top, and then we have take a sip. So look at this, very nice. This requires heavy investment on product photography. I cannot repeat that again. And look how consistent they are here. Very, very consistent with the product images. We have a nice lifestyle images going on over there. They have a palette guide. So maybe they have branding, but they're using branding for, to showcase the products as background colors versus, having the whole website a certain color. So this is actually pretty interesting. Look at this. Very beautiful. I love the borders. The borders just make things pop out, which is very, very nice. And then we have this here. So impulsive products you could buy right away. Keeping it green, kind of like an article. Bundle up and save, pretty nice. Not bad. This is beautiful taste. Looks very, very nice. Let's see. Let's go inside. Collections page. Kind of similar grid to before. Nothing out of this world. Not bad. The images are playing a super role here, by the way, guys. Like, this website would not look like how it does unless the images are intact. And look at this. Not bad. We got an FAQ. Beautiful. Yeah, totally, 1000%. And every time you're reviewing this, guys, from the Shopify theme store, make sure you're always checking out. By default, I have the desktop view, but also make sure you check out the mobile view, because a lot of your clients are going to come and buy from you from there. So if I go like this, take a look at how it looks like on the mobile. Look at your Google Analytics. How many of your clients visit you through desktop versus mobile? So if you're going to choose a theme, make sure that you're looking at the mobile first. And whichever the mobile does the best, then that's the one that you're going to go with, and then work your way backwards with the desktop, right? But the mobile is extremely, extremely important. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this. If you really enjoy these types of videos, let me know down in the comments which one you want me to create a tutorial on so I could help you set all this up. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.